Welcome back. All of our parts are now wiped off from the rig and ready to be reassembled. We do need to take and before we put the trigger guard back together, we need to repaint the red on the safety latch. So we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll start the reassembly process. See if we can't put Humpty Dumpty back together again. So the little safety switch, to repaint it, I use a white marker, Birchwood KC white touch-up pen to go over it first, and then I use a red enamel fingernail polish. There we go. Sally Hansen. You can use whatever you want. Testor's model paint or anything you want, and I go over the white with that, and that gives it a nice brighter red color than if we just used red to begin with. Trigger guard's all complete. Took me a couple tries, but there it is. You can see that nice red safety button painted there in that shot. Now let's finally wrap this up and put the wood furniture back on the stock and get it ready to go to the customer. Well, there she is. All back together.